In 2023, the job market is extremely competitive, and that's one reason people are looking to earn a good amount by not engaging into the job market. Well, Economic Pulse is here to tell you the top 5 ways to earn online in 2023. Number 1. Freelancing and remote work. One of the most popular ways to earn money online is through freelancing and remote work. There are numerous platforms that connect freelancers with clients, such as Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr. Popular freelance skills include writing, graphic design, web development, and more. Number 2. Online courses and coaching. Another way to earn money online is through selling online courses or coaching services. This can be done through platforms like Udemy, Coursera, and Teachable. If you have expertise in a particular area, you can create a course or coaching program and sell it online. Number 3. Affiliate marketing and e-commerce. Affiliate marketing is another way to make money online, where you promote other people's products and earn a commission for each sale made through your referral link. E-commerce involves selling products directly to customers online, and platforms like Amazon and Shopify make it easy. Number 4. Content creation and social media. Content creation and social media are also great ways to earn money online. YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram offer monetization options for content creators, such as ads and sponsorships. Brands are willing to pay influencers to promote their products on social media platforms. Number 5. Cryptocurrency and trading. Finally, cryptocurrency and trading have become increasingly popular ways to make money online. Platforms like Coinbase and Binance allow individuals to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, and trading in the stock market or foreign exchange markets can also be done online. These were the top ways to earn a great amount of money online in 2023. We will also upload a detailed video on all of these ways, so it can be helpful for all of you as much as possible. Till then, pulsing down, see you.